Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a few ways to fix TikTok videos that aren't loading on your phone. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. If your connection is weak or unstable, videos may not load. If the issue continues, switch your connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi, then reopen TikTok. After that, you can go to App Store and check if there is any update available for TikTok. Installing the latest version can fix bugs that may be causing the problem. If the problem is still not solved, you can go to your phone settings. Now go to General. Now tap iPhone Storage. Now you can search TikTok. Now you can tap Offload Data. This can sometimes solve your problem. If TikTok videos are still not loading, restart your iPhone. Once it turns back on, open TikTok again and check if the videos load normally.